On this play, we show you confusion on a drop third strike. When the Mariners played the Angels in Anaheim, Mallex Smith reaches first base on a drop third strike. But as he runs down the line, he appears that he unintentionally kicked the ball. So the umpires get together and they talk it over, and they call Smith out. Well, the Mariners manager, Scott Service, he doesn't like this. He thinks his runner is safe and wants to know why Smith is out. I mean, after all, he didn't kick the ball intentionally. Well, the rulebook makes no mention of intent. It is interference by a batter or runner when, after a third strike that is not caught by the catcher, the batter-runner clearly hinders the catcher in his attempt to field the ball. Such batter-runner is out, the ball is dead, and all other runners return to the bases they occupied at the time of the pitch. It's also covered by Rule 7.09. It is interference by a batter or runner when, after a third strike, he hinders the catcher in his attempt to field the ball. The Umpire's Manual also addresses this play and says, it no longer matters if the batter is in the vicinity of home plate or up the first baseline when the infraction occurs. If, in the umpire's judgment, the batter-runner clearly hinders the catcher in his attempt to field the ball, the batter-runner is declared out, the ball is dead, and the runners return to the base occupied at the time of the pitch. The location of the batter-runner is no longer relevant. So, on this play, the correct call is out. It's free to look up any rule on baseballrulesacademy.com, your #1 source for rules of the game.